Another one. You cannot eat on my couch now. Yes, it's coming together. The green section is gonna be the hardest. The trees are gonna be the hardest, but then once I'm done, I'm done. I honestly feel like I'm getting somewhere though.
Oh no.
It's coming together.
He wants to watch it with me, Mom.
Once you find all the pieces in it, it's so easy. Once you're on a roll, you're on a roll. Because look. I think I found the pieces for here. Clicking time. We go click. This is so satisfying. Go time. And just like that, this section is closed. Come on, why are you taking so long? Me determined still in them. Love when I have like one other piece to put into a section. Yay. And just like that, these pieces are gonna go there, and then these pieces are gonna go there. Mateo, I said to leave it. Why does this do? It's go time for sure. Two more pieces for this section, and this is one. And this is the final piece for this section here. See that? No, I gotta do this section. You think I'm joking, bud?
Eat it. Yeah.
I didn't realize that that piece was missing. Where's that piece? Wait, where's that piece? I thought I was done with this section until I saw this. Progress check. I need to fix this little section here, but look. And then I need to come down this way. But look, everywhere else is good. Good, good, good. Let's work on this section. Look what I found. So all of this section is finished with the exception. I have this hard section to do. It's so green. Maddie, do you like my puzzle?